If your skin feels tight, itchy, and constantly thirsty, there's a chance your barrier isn't damaged. It may slightly be dehydrated. Here's the difference. See, damage means that the structure is compromised. For instance, you have missing lipids, cracks in your skin, and irritation. Dehydration means the water inside the skin is escaping while the structure might still be intact. So if you treat dehydration like damage, you'll pile on heavy products, slug, and then seal. And sometimes this can make the skin even angrier. Instead, try this. Step 1. Add gentle hydration first. Seek hyaluronic alternatives, soothing toners, and mists. Step 2. Follow up with calming lipids, not harsh actives. And step 3. Give the skin time. Be sure to watch this next. It explains what barrier repair actually means so you know when repair is truly needed. I'll meet you there. If you want calm, science-based barrier education, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson.